Welcome to the channel. This here, folks, is my Badboy Magnum zero turn. I purchased it from Tractor Supply a year ago to replace Trail Beast, my little John Deere, and I have to say I knew it would be a great mower then, and then a year later I can say it continues to be a great mower now. It stays maintained, however I have yet to change the blades on it, but it continues to cut well, so I will wait until that day comes. This here is my only gripe, but that's my situation because I have inclines and small hills. If there was only something that I could do about it. Oh wait. Oh yeah. What's this? Upgrade unlocked. Take a look at this. Looks very beast in my opinion. How about you, buddy? What do you think? Okay, let me bring your attention to how wet the tires are already. My yard is soaked currently. I am not cutting anything. We just had a huge rain last night, and my new tires were just laying around just begging me to put them on. Also, because I don't want to slide sideways in a ditch out front and have the neighbor stop and try to pull it out, possibly destroying my ditch bank, I will use this little spot over here. It's the last part of the yard to dry, and when it's wet, I can't even cut over here because it gets stuck. But for this video purpose, I will gladly destroy this area for your pleasure and mine. I do have a problem often where I lose steering because of the traction concerns, even on flat ground. It is a swamp over here. Look at all that damage. You are riding shotgun right now, and it's sloppy. These are my ditch banks up front, and you can see kinda how close I can get. Now I haven't slid into the ditch bank because it's super steep and it would require a truck to pull me out. I will not be testing these tires out here, although it would make a great video seeing me crash into it. I'll pass. Pivot test on stockies. Now in a yard that you want to keep looking great, you should not pivot on your tires like this. It tears your yard up. A nice 3-point turn like this is much better practice in keeping your yard looking great. Show 'em, bud. Nice, Zuzu. Let's slow that down. Great. Let's just pop these slickies off, and with the power of editing, we have our tires ready to change out. Torque these babies to 75. Good to go. Man, to me, that is what a bad boy is supposed to look like. They look great. Check it out, folks. Aggressive. I hope they are kind to my yard. Well, not in this video, but on an ordinary grass cutting day where everything is dry, but not here. Let's destroy this area. It is so wet over here. Dang. Let's see if we can get it to slip. Oh, it wants to. I have made a mess. I love it. On stock tires, I would be bringing the mule over here to pull this thing out by now. If you don't enjoy playing in the mud like this, well, I'm sorry. I have always loved it. Let's check out how filthy we got this thing. We still have some tests we need to run, like a second pivot test and a highway run to test how bumpy it gets. But first, let's get a quick bath. Looking pretty again. We can't drive down the road looking like it was pulled out of a marsh, can we? Okay, I will be 100% honest here. I feel no bumps at all. It's just as smooth as the stock tires. Okay, pivot test 2. Cranking 180s on these tires should destroy the earth. Okay, here is the most important part. Will a 3-point turn on gnarly tires still destroy the yard? And I can't express how wet the yard is. These tires are doing a fine job here. Overall, the tire test was successful. On a dry cutting day, these will be a fantastic upgrade. What should I do with these old tires? Thanks for watching. If you have never seen my channel before, maybe consider subscribing. If you are already a subscriber, give me a like if you enjoyed the video. And thanks for watching. Peace.